Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will cover the top 50 MCQs related to polity of India. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. The Constitution of India was adopted on. Correct answer is option C, 26th November 1949. When did the Constitution of India come into effect? Correct answer is option B, 26th January 1950. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many articles were there originally in the Constitution of India? Correct answer is option A, 395. How many fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Constitution? Correct answer is option B, 6. The concept of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? Correct answer is option A, USA. Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Correct answer is option B, part 3. Which article empowers the president to impose president's rule in a state? Correct answer is option B, Article 356. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Correct answer is option B, right to property. Right to education is part of which article? Correct answer is option C, Article 21A. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? Correct answer is option C, Article 17. The directive principle of state policy are contained in which part of the Constitution? Correct answer is option C, Part 4. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is option C, 4th. The President of India is elected by. Correct answer is option D, an electoral college. Which amendment made the right to education a fundamental right? Correct answer is option C, 86th. The word secular was added to the preamble by which amendment? Correct answer is option A, 42nd. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option B, President of India. Which of the following is a federal feature of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, written constitution. The preamble of the Constitution declares India to be a. Correct answer is option B, sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. Who can initiate impeachment proceedings against the president? Correct answer is option C, either House of Parliament. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution currently? Correct answer is option C, 12. Which article deals with the Uniform Civil Code? Correct answer is option B, Article 44. The 73rd Amendment Act deals with. Correct answer is option C, Panchayati Raj. Which body is responsible for conducting elections in India? Correct answer is option C, Election Commission. The Vice President of India is elected for a term of. Correct answer is option B, 5 years. Which part of the Constitution deals with the Union Judiciary? Correct answer is option B, Part 5. Which article gives special status to Jammu and Kashmir before abrogation? Correct answer is option B, Article 370. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, 3. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option C, President. Which amendment is known as the mini constitution? Correct answer is option A, 42nd. The fundamental duties were added to the constitution in. Correct answer is option A, 1976. Which article provides for the appointment of a finance commission? Correct answer is option D, Article 280. Who can declare a national emergency? Correct answer is option B, President. Who presides over the joint sitting of Parliament? Correct answer is option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. The residuary powers are vested in. Correct answer is option B, Union Parliament. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the idea of a parliamentary system from. Correct answer is option B, United Kingdom. How many languages are listed in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? Correct answer is option C, 22. Which article provides for the amendment of the Constitution? Correct answer is option B, Article 368. The Right to Information Act was enacted in the year. Correct answer is option C, 2005. Which article deals with the protection of life and personal liberty? Correct answer is option C, Article 21. The first amendment to the Constitution was made in. Correct answer is option B, 1951. Who can recommend the dissolution of the State Legislative Assembly? Correct answer is option C, Governor of the state. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from. Correct answer is option B, USA. The age of retirement for a Supreme Court judge is. Correct answer is option C, 65. The quorum for Lok Sabha meetings is. Correct answer is option C, 1/10 of total members. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Correct answer is option C, Chief Justice of India. The idea of a concurrent list was borrowed from the Constitution of. Correct answer is option C, Australia. Who is the custodian of the Constitution of India? Correct answer is option C, Supreme Court. Fundamental duties were incorporated by which amendment? Correct answer is option A, 42nd. Which article defines the official language of the Union? Correct answer is option A, Article 343. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which article provides for the amendment of the Constitution? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.